Imagine you run into a room. It's very dark and you can't see a thing. But then you hear whispers. You start sweating. Then you freeze. Whew, creepy, right? Now let me ask you, who do you think is talking in that story? Are you part of it? How did it make you feel? Parang ikaw yung nasa kwento mismo, di ba? Bakit kaya ganun ang dating? Ano kayang ginawa ng storyteller or narrator para maramdaman mo yun? Today, we are learning about point of view and how it helps us understand the story better and deeper. Ready na ba kayo? Let's dive in. Point of view, or POV for short, is the perspective from which a story is told. Or ito yung pananaw o paningin nung nagkikwento. It answers the question, who is telling the story? Sometimes the storyteller is part of the story. For example, a girl who says, I won the dance contest. Sometimes naman, it's someone outside. Dito naman pwedeng sabihin ng storyteller na she won the dance contest. And even sometimes, it feels like ikaw mismo ang kinakausap or you won the dance contest. Now, why is point of view important? Point of view is important because it affects what information we know o kung anong impormasyon ang nalalaman natin. And how we feel the events in the story or kung paano natin nararamdaman ang mga events sa kwento. It helps us understand what's happening, how characters feel, and how we, as readers, experience the story. There are three types of points of view in literature. Una, syempre, first-person point of view. It uses the pronouns I, me, my, and we. For example, I waited for the letter all day. When it finally arrived, my hands were shaking. In the first person point of view, the storyteller is a character in the story. We see everything through her eyes and feel what she feels. But we only know what she knows. Kapag narrator mismo ang nagsasalita, mas close tayo sa emotion niya. Pero limited tayo kasi hindi natin alam ang iniisip ng ibang characters o tauhan. Next, second person point of view. It uses the pronouns you and your. For example, the mailman handed you the letter. In the second person point of view, the storyteller talks directly to you. Parang biglang ikaw yung naging character. You see the events as if you are the one in the story. Imagine ikaw yung girl na nakatanggap ng sulat. Parang mas intense ang feeling, no? Parang ikaw talaga ang character sa kwento. But you only know and feel what the storyteller tells you to do or experience. Hindi natin kontrolado ang kwento. Parang sinusundan lang natin ang script ng storyteller. Next naman, you guessed it right, third person point of view. It uses the pronouns he, she, it, they, and them. For example, now she is reading the letter and her hands are trembling. In the third person point of view, the storyteller is not a character in the story. He or she is just an observer. Parang nanonood ka lang dito. Hindi ka masyadong emotionally involved. Pero minsan, mas clear pa ang buong kwento. There are two types of third-person point of view. Yung una is called limited, or someone who knows only one character's thoughts. Yung next naman, omniscient, or knows the thoughts of all characters. So the next question is, how does point of view change a story? Let us see how a story sounds in different points of view. First person point of view example. I couldn't believe my family gave me a surprise birthday party. Ramdam natin ang pagkabigla at tuwa kasi parang tayo mismo ang nagsasalita because of the pronouns I, my, at me. Next, third person point of view example. She couldn't believe her family gave her a surprise birthday party. Diba? Mas malayo ang emotion, mas objective, pero mas kokonte ang connection. And ang ginamit naman na pronouns are she and her sa example na ito. So oras na para sa ating fish tips. When analyzing the point of view, look at the pronouns first. Check what pronouns are being used. I, me, my, we, or the first person, o you and your, second person, or baka naman he, she, they, them, the third person. Sunod, ask yourself, is the storyteller inside the story? Is the storyteller a character sharing an experience? O is the storyteller talking directly to you? O baka naman, he or she is watching others and not part of the story. Number 3, ask yourself ulit, what does the storyteller know? Only one character's thoughts or feelings or limited POV? Or the storyteller knows all characters' thoughts and feelings or omniscient POV? Yung last is, read a few lines aloud. How does it feel? If it feels personal and emotional, it's probably first person. If it feels like you are in the middle of the action, it's the second person. And if it feels neutral or like watching a movie, it is the third person. Now it's time to check kung ano ang natutunan nyo sa lesson natin. Let us have our mini writing challenge. Madali lang to. Change the point of view of the sentence. Olivia opened the letter and her hands were trembling. Rewrite it in the first or second person point of view. Comment your answer and tell what point of view you used. Then briefly explain how the sentence changes in your chosen point of view. Nice work today, class! Natapos na naman natin ang isang lesson na siguradong makakatulong sa pag-level up nyo sa school, life, and the future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa bago nating lessons. Pwede nyo ring i-share sa mga classmates and friends nyo para sabay-sabay kayong mag-level up. See you next time dito sa Learning is Easy with Teacher Fish.